I'm in the dark. I'm in the dark because I can teach a lesson in phonemes in the dark. Many books say that you could teach it in the closet. That's true. This is a lesson about phonemic awareness, focusing on phonemes. It means the ability to distinguish individual words into a stream of speech. Some lessons to develop phonemes include matching, the ability to hear sounds that are alike. Then when there's blending, I could develop phonemes through blending, the ability to sounds make together. What would you have if you blended the sounds k, at? Blend them together, you get the word cat. We could also use segmenting individual sounds in isolation. That's explicit instruction. And this lesson is going to be on isolation. In isolation lesson, the phonemes, we're going to focus on the beginning, the medial, and the end sound. The end sound, such as k, at. What's the last sound in cat? T. I could ask the student for cap. K, ap. What's the last sound in cap? P. That's an illustration of isolation. Today, however, the students are going to work on individual sounds to make words, and we're going to do this through anchoring. I'm going to ask my students if they remember what the phoneme is, and they should tell me they know it's a sound. I'm going to ask them what a grapheme is, and they should know that that's a letter. Not that that's the focus on the lesson, but I want them to know that grapheme is a letter. But we are focused on the phoneme sound today. And we're going to start with the drill. The drill of a phoneme isolation, we're going to ask the students to sit up straight. They are going to get their arms ready to go. And I'll give you just a few examples of what the lesson will look like with the students, because the students already know how to anchor their words. But if I ask the students to say am, say am. What's the last sound in am? I could say fat, say fat. What's the middle sound in fat? At. Good. Say mat, say mat. What's the first sound in mat? And the lesson would continue with about 10 different sounds, and I would be listening to assess them to see how their phoneme development is. Thank you.